Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Ideal for a camper conversion, this Ford Transit Custom 320 TDI L1 standard wheelbase, H2 high roof so you can stand up inside, 9-seat minibus, 2018. One health authority owner through a lease company. Wet belt was replaced at 87,000 miles. Got a full maintenance printout, all the services and lots of regular maintenance. 116,000 miles. Wet belt was done at 87,000 miles. It is £12,995, no VAT. Has got air conditioning. Super clean vans these, really well looked after. Lots of tread on the Avon tyre on the back. Avon Z1 on the front as well. Stone chips. No. Just a nice condition van. Well, minibus. It's not a van. It's a minibus. Clean. Seats, cloth material, beautiful. Steering wheel, multifunction. DAB radio, Bluetooth, air conditioning, connectivity up there for your phone, play your music, headlining, everywhere you look. Very, very nice. 9 seats, so 3 in the front, middle row of 3, and then 3 in the back. I don't know whether I can lift this up with one hand. I'll try. There you go. Okay, and then 3 in the back. Lovely and clean. Access like that. Pop that back down. Close that. Pretty immaculate. Can't, you know, it's not dented, it's not knocked about, it's not dirty, it's not tatty. Lovely van. I've just driven it, and all the vans from this particular home seem to drive as they should do, and a lot better than you'd expect for the mileage, certainly. Really nice to drive. Super clean, you can stand up in there. Just defy the mileage. 116,000, but you would not know it. Gets safety inspected every 6 months, these vehicles. Obviously MOT every 12 months. Lots of money spent on them, just keeping them perfect, really. Automatic lights, multifunction steering wheel, DAB radio, Bluetooth, 6-speed manual, air conditioning. MOT until the 18th of June 2026. £12,995, no VAT. One owner from new, full maintenance printout, wet belt done. Lovely minibus. Right, please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. There'll be other vans and minibuses on there. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.